Today we're going to be discussing what the differences are between a wrongful death and a survival action in a nursing home abuse and neglect case. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. Unfortunately, many nursing home abuse and neglect issues end up being wrongful death cases. And this is because many nursing home residents have underlying medical conditions or frailties which place them at risk for being killed as a result of nursing home abuse and neglect. When somebody dies as a result of nursing home abuse and neglect, this gives rise to two separate actions. One is called the survival action, the other is called the wrongful death action. These both get prosecuted in the same lawsuit. The survival action covers the damages that were incurred before the person died. So this would encompass things like medical expenses, pain and suffering, disability, disfigurement, all of which occurred up until the moment that somebody died. After the person dies, then the surviving next of kin are entitled to pursue what's called a wrongful death action, and this is for the losses that they sustained after the person died. And this would include things like loss of economic support, loss of society, which is the loss of the family relationship, and their own grief. Now, because the survival action is for damages that occurred before the person died, this is considered to be an asset of the estate and would have to pass through the probate process. The wrongful death damages are for damages that occurred after the person died, and therefore they are not considered to be part of the probate estate and would be distributed in accordance with a court order. So even though these are technically separate actions, these do need to be prosecuted at the same time under the auspices of the person's estate, and ultimately the person who would get to make decisions concerning the handling of both the wrongful death and the survival action would be the executor or the administrator of the estate, the person who is legally designated to handle the legal affairs of the estate. Hope you found this interesting. If you have any questions regarding this or any other nursing home abuse and neglect issue, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 312-263-1080. Thank you very much for watching.